nieces and nephews, welcome back to Auntie No's Kitchen. And to my new nieces and nephews, welcome to the family. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Play nice, cousins. Play nice. Okay, first, I want to thank you all for all your love and support to my channel. And if you would please do Auntie a favor, if you would hit the like button so I can stay in the big A word, okay, that YouTube likes to use. Right now, we're going to be cooking Coca-Cola wings with fried rice, okay? Now, if you want my fried rice recipe, I'm going to do the fried rice. But if you just want to see just fried rice, you can go to my playlist and look under the playlist titled Asian/Asian American, okay? So we're going to do a flip and a swip, and we're going to get started. Okay, first we're going to start with some oil in our wok. Because I'm going, and what I've done, I've got wingettes, and they've been marinating. Yeah, they've been marinating overnight in ginger. I put it, I don't know how many wings this is, we'll count them later. But ginger, this Shoshine cooking wine, I love this stuff. I'm telling you, this is the holy grail of Chinese cooking. I'm telling you. This Shoshine rice cooking wine is the holy grail. Elevate your cooking, and you can use MSG also, but you still need that. I do have MSG also, but I rarely use MSG. But anyway, you need marinate your chicken in this garlic, minced garlic, ginger. I put a tablespoon of ginger, a tablespoon of garlic, and I put a half a cup of soy sauce, and I did a half a cup of this, and that's all it was to it. And so what I'm going to do is, it's been marinated all night long, all night. So I'm going to put them in the wok. I'm not going to cook them. Well, they still be cooking, but you know what I mean. I just want to brown them, okay? I just want to brown them. And then, because the Coca-Cola, you're going to need a 2-liter bottle of Coca-Cola. Not diet and not off-brand. And you can't use, they're called Coca-Cola wings. But if you want to use Pepsi, honey, you can say Pepsi wings. I don't really care what you call them after this. But these are Coca-Cola wings. These are my Coca-Cola wings. So call them Auntie's Coca-Cola wings. Okay, so I'm going to get the pan hot and I'll be back. Need to bring you in closer. This is what I mean by browning it, not cooking it, just browning, just basically browning the skin. Now once that's all done, I'm going to add a second. Okay, now that's all done. I'm going to add a little bit of ginger because it marinated in ginger. But I want some ginger in my Coca-Cola. And we're just going to add just a tiny bit of garlic for that. And we're going to pour our Coca-Cola in. The Coca-Cola is what cooks it. I don't need to do anything else but let the Coca-Cola do its job. And turn your heat down low. Just let it do its job. Because it's going to cook down to where it's going to be a nice thick glaze. I'm going to go ahead and do the rice. This is about 2 cups of cold rice. Your rice needs to be cooked the night before. You cannot use warm rice. You need cold rice. So I'm going to put a little oil in here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a teaspoon of minced garlic. Add that to that. Tappity tap tap. I'm going to take a teaspoon of minced ginger. A little housekeeping for that. And I'm going to take, this is a 1 medium onion. Chopped up, a little housekeeping. And I'm going to stir this around. You'll know it's ready because you're going to start smelling that ginger and that garlic explode in flavor. I mean, aroma. It's going to just pop off and you're going to get all that deliciousness in here. It's just full of flavor. Hey, Uncle Roger. I just don't like big serious onions. That's just me. Yeah, so now I'm going to put in my rice. Over there for a little housekeeping. I'm going to toss my rice around. I'm going to add a little bit of my delicious Chinese cookie wine. Add some soy sauce. This is my premium soy sauce. It's not flavored, but if you want to use the mushroom flavored sauce, you can. Or the oyster flavored soy sauce, you can do that too. And guys, you know my holy grail is my sweet soy sauce. I gotta have that in there. Gotta have my sweet soy sauce. Yummy, yum, yum. Ooh, some of it escaped Alcatraz. And it's not right if it don't have a little hoisin. And I add a little bit of sesame oil. Use a good sesame oil. I'm going to flip this all around. Now I'm going to add I scrambled 2 eggs and chopped them up. Let me get them. Just put my eggs in. Put a little, just a dash of salt, but there's soy sauce has salt in it. Put some black pepper down here. I'm going to be using frozen peas and carrots. Get out of there. Now you don't have to add the whole bag of frozen peas and carrots. Don't do that. You're gonna have soup. Not the whole bag. Half a bag is fine here. Half a bag is fine. When I do this, I just use half the bag. Here's the egg. It's not chopped like I want. I have my Coca-Cola chicken over there. It hasn't started to cook yet. It does take time to cook. So let's give our rice a tasty. My taster is my lovely Pamper Princess K-Pot Kaylin's birthday is next week, and she wants red velvet cupcakes. So I'm going to be making some red velvet cupcakes. That's what cake she wants this year. Instead of a cake, she wants red velvet. Last year, it was, I think, the churro cake. She wanted a churro cake. And I made that. You want to see how I made that? Just go to my dessert playlist, okay? So I'm going to put this in a bowl, and I'm going to move my chicken back over here. But I'm going to skim that first, and I got to skim the uki off. Guys, look how the chicken, see what I mean? The Coca-Cola is what cooks the chicken, and the Coca-Cola is what gives it that glaze. Then you got the flavors of the ginger and the garlic in here. And this is what gives it the glaze. And they are done. Now we're going to plate some of these babies up. Here we are, Coca-Cola wings and fried rice. Yummy yum cricket.